Balance the chemical equation. Copper sulfate plus potassium phosphate gives us copper 2 phosphate plus potassium sulfate. In this equation, the reactants are copper sulfate and potassium phosphate, and the products are copper 2 phosphate and potassium sulfate. If you look at this equation, the equation is not balanced. In the reactants side, there are 1 copper atom, 1 sulfur atom, 8 oxygen atoms, 3 potassium atoms, and 1 phosphorus atom present. And the products side, there are 3 copper atoms, 1 sulfur atom, 12 oxygen atoms, 2 potassium atoms, and 2 phosphorus atoms present. The number of atoms are not balanced on both sides. To balance the chemical equation, we need to make use of coefficients. A coefficient is a number that we place in front of a chemical formula. In this equation, we need to balance the copper atoms first. To do this, we need to put a coefficient of 3 in front of CuSO4. The copper atoms are balanced. Now we need to balance the sulfur atoms. To do this, we need to put a coefficient of 3 in front of K2SO4. The sulfur atoms are balanced. Now we need to balance the phosphorus atoms. To do this, we need to put a coefficient of 2 in front of K3PO4. The equation is now balanced. There are 3 copper atoms, 3 sulfur atoms, 20 oxygen atoms, 6 potassium atoms, and 2 phosphorus atoms on both sides. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press on the bell icon.